Hey guys, this is Michael from Our Mentor Journey. We bought us a new camera, a Nikon D3500 DSLR, and we're going to have a little unboxing of it. Also with that, we got a free tripod, 58-inch Platinum Plus by Sunpack. And we also have a 128GB card for our camera. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got here. You can come closer. The paperwork, the manual for it. This came with 2 lenses. The regular price was $499. It was on sale at Best Buy on their Black Friday ad for $399. It's one of the lenses. This one is a cover, 70 to 300 millimeter Nikon DX.
And the smaller one?
And the smaller one is there's the cover. This is a Nikon DX VR 18 to 55 millimeter. And they have the charging pack for the battery, strap, and the camera itself. Alright, I'm not going to power it on right now. We'll have to charge the battery, but that's what we got.
Try to put the lenses.
Take the battery for it. I had to figure out how to put the lenses on later. I had never used one of these. Alright.
Where's the manual?
Alright, thanks guys for watching. After we figure out how to use it, we'll make another video.